My name is Martin Young. I'm Operations Director at Cherwell Laboratories Limited, and we're a manufacturing and supply company of pre-poured culture media, which is used by the pharmaceutical, National Health Service and health service products. We had many reasons to implement an ERP system. Our business was growing, and our plans to grow it more than 10% per annum meant that that would put a strain on our systems, and it was important to build in an appropriate system for our future needs as the business grew. We needed to de-risk the business from some individuals having lots of knowledge about the business and being dependent on individuals, which puts the business at risk if something happened to them. So putting our information into one central form that was accessible to the whole business was a critical part of our requirements. And then having the base and the data and the infrastructure ready for efficiency improvements and, again, continued growth of the business. We researched all the ERP systems we could find. We actually found 49. We finally chose the Priority system, and the main reasons were that for us, Priority software out of the box was the closest match to our production and process. We believed Priority, the company, were investing in that product and continued to support that over the life of the product. And likewise with Medatech, ensuring that the vendor who we'd actually work with on the implementation had the skills, the knowledge, the experiences within their organisation and the resource and capacity to support us during that implementation phase. The benefits we've seen so far is, firstly, we've eliminated all of the databases around the plant. We've got a single database, and the accuracy of that database is so much higher. We have real-time availability of performance data, and the speed at which we can analyse that now is much faster, so that we have more up-to-date decision making. We're now gathering more and more reports and data and analysing trends within the manufacturing system, so that we're identifying opportunities for reducing either failure rates and eliminate costs and stock holdings within the business. So we also have seen some improvements where we auto-generate documents that go automatically to our customers. One of the other reasons we chose the Priority and Medatech system is our belief that we would be able to have more control over the configuration of the system as we change our processes in terms of trying to make improvements. Our ability to do that in-house has shone through. It's much more in our control, and therefore we're more able to make improvements quickly and more readily and repeat those improvements.